Alright, so what we're looking at here is the final product. The substructure all laid out, glued together. As you can see, it matches up very well with the full-scale drawing that I made. That's why we're doing the drawing, so that it shows you exactly how you're going to build it. So see, right there I was a little off that, so that piece could be used a little longer. But overall, it's pretty accurate. My pieces fit together well. So if you look at the angles are correct. So there's a nice tight seam everywhere. Right here. So you can see this angle was off just a bit. So I have a gap right there. Anytime you have a gap, you're not going to have a very strong connection, so it's going to create a weak spot. So on both of these angles, it was a little off. I can fit my fingernail in between there. But other than that, all the other angles match up pretty well. And as you can see right here, this should be in that corner, so that's a lot of loss of support right there. So you guys have the whole class to do this. I would recommend that you take your time, make sure your cuts are accurate. And you guys are just taking your time, laying things out, gluing them together. And if you do have a seam like this, just put a little bit of glue on your applicator. Bring it over here and just try to dab some glue in here. And that might create some sort of seal. Better than having an air gap. That glue will just kind of drip and fill that crack a little bit. What I don't want to see is all of your seams done like that. You should have minimal glue showing. If I come over and I see that next to all your seams, now that just shows poor craftsmanship and a lack of effort. So I don't want to see that ever. Once or twice is alright, but if all your seams are glued like that, then we're going to have some issues. But just take your time, let this dry, and next class you should be able to take it apart and start your superstructure.